You're the queen of everything, as far as the eye can see. Under your commands, I will be your guardian.